Today we're about to install the front brace on my car. We did the rear already, so we're about to do the front now. This one's easy. 4 bolts bolted on. I don't know how low it's gonna be sitting, cause I don't know if it's gonna hit the floor. If like you go over speed bumps or whatever, I don't know how low it's gonna be. We'll find out. But it's only 3 pounds. It's aluminum, man. So let's slap it on. Don't need nothing crazy. Jack the car up. Put the bolts. You'll see. Let's get it. Got the brace right here. It's not as big as it looks. It's pretty tiny. Like I said, it's 3 pounds. And we're about to install this, man. Right under. We'll see how it sits. All right, it's pretty good height. Now, I'm gonna go under there and unscrew. Don't forget your safety glasses. You need these, definitely. All right, so if you have this shield here, right, it will be right over here. See this? It will be right hanging over here. It will be this bolt. Oh, I think it's this one. This bolt, that bolt, and this bolt. Okay, so let's remove those. There's 17 mil, as you see, right there. And let me show you how it'll sit. Sit just like this. Be sitting just like that. See? Boom. And boom. Alright, let's remove those 17s. You're gonna need a 17 wrench for up here to hold this one. To hold that one. Both sides. Okay? Let's take those off. Okay, remove this one right here. Don't worry, nothing's gonna fall on your face. Okay? Alright. Don't lose those. Okay. Let's 17 up here. And take this off right here. Alright, that drops. Obviously, you need this bolt. And that will stay up there. Same thing with the other side. Alright. So here. Alright. That is loose. Oof. Right in my face. Okay. Now, easy peasy. Let's put this on like so. Now reverse. Tighten these. If you wanna, okay, hold on. Let me put this. Okay, now just tighten it. Okay, now this one now. Okay, if you want to torque it down, it's like 30 pounds. Let's do it with the front right here. It sits flush on here. Huh. Fits good on here. It's not that low that I expected. Okay. Alright, that is it. Now if you want to torque it down, it's like I said, it's 30 pounds each bolt. And it should be good. Anybody who wants a closer look how this looks, like I said, it's back there. See it? Right behind your if you have this shield shroud, if you want to call it that. Okay, so this is it right there, just chilling right there. Sheesh. It's my favorite color too, red. So this is how it sits. Let me show you the angle here, you see? So like I said, if you're lowered, maybe instead of scraping this like I did here, you might scrape this like over here, because these are a little lower, as you see. Look, see what I'm saying? So if you're lowered, double think this. Clearly, if you want bags, you clearly, if you're low, if you keep it low and you're driving, this will be scraping, and when you drop it, it will be sitting on this. Okay, so for anybody, you know, thinking of buying this, this is how it is, how it looks. Flush, right there. Like I said, it's only 3 pounds, so barely weigh down your vehicle. Barely. But, yep. As you see, that was so easy. You could do that shit with your eyes closed, man. Because you see how easy that was. But anyways, it's supposed to increase your handling. We see what happens. So, so let me know if anybody has one of these. How's the performance? How is it? Do you feel a difference? Let me know. If it helped you out, give me a like and subscribe.